Yo, what is up, YouTube? Cam back on the side of the R6. I'm with my buddy Kayer. He hit me up on Instagram. I guess his friend showed him a couple of my videos, told him that I was in the Columbia area. He's on his Yamaha XSR900, which I've never seen before. I've never seen one. He has his customized, all painted, it looks like. I like how it looks. Looks like it has a windscreen. It sounds good. I don't know. I haven't made my way over to the exhaust yet, but it's very nice so far. We're about to go hit these back roads that I've never been on. So I said I wanted to ride with some of you guys, and I want to do that. I want to meet more riders out here. And if I could schedule a big ride out here one day, that's the end result, the end goal, just to get a lot of riders out here having fun. And I've never seen this bike, so that's the main part of it. And you meet a lot of great people throughout the riding community. And I miss riding with someone else on a sport bike. I haven't done that in a minute. So let's go enjoy this ride. Looks like I'm gonna be playing follow the leader a lot on this ride. He doesn't really know the roads too well out here, but I'm sure he knows them better than I do. It sounds mean, a nice low tone on that 900 compared to my little whining R6. Whee! I've always said this, man, I really do appreciate anyone who customizes their bike, whether it's colored rims and you wouldn't think someone else would like it. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter. It's your bike. Customize it however you like. And I think overall, regardless if people like your creation or not, I think if you solely love the thing, that makes a bike 20 times cooler. Thing sounds mean. I think it's just the bigger motor with a nice pipe gives it that nice lower tone instead of my 600 whining. The lower tone sounds good for sure. Daily 100 for the boys. You already know when we get the R6 out on some back roads, we're gonna run her a little bit. We gotta stretch the legs. I know this XSR900 can keep up. I know for sure that thing seems hella torquey. If it's anything like the XSR9, which I've been on, I'll put that video card right here. My buddy Justin let me ride his bike, and that bike was so clean. I hope Justin still has that. I look forward to riding with him when I get back to Tallahassee. Oh my God. That's serious. I had to stop and get a picture of these two bikes together, even though mine still looks so bad right now. He took the time to paint his tank. He has custom pipe where he basically just bought online and kind of pieced it together. He said he had a straight pipe on his Yamaha R6. That was his last bike. I can't even imagine what a Yamaha R6 with a straight pipe sounds like. I've heard an R1 with a straight pipe, and that was too loud, so I know the R6 would be screaming. But that bike sounds clean, so clean. That 900 just wants to scream. I really like the tachometer too. The tach has different power modes, just like the XSR9. It's a cool looking bike, man. Sorry, bud. Nice little passing lane. And look at the killer cam look right here. You pass the truck right into a stop sign. Wouldn't have it any other way. Man, I'm glad we finally linked up. It's nice to see other riders up here. And like I said earlier, eventually I want to have a big group ride up here. So if anyone's around in the area, Columbia is where I'm located now. And I'm down if we have to make the meetup 30 minutes out. Wherever the best location to get the most riders out as possible, that's what I want to do. Coming up to every stop sign and asking each other which way we want to go. Trying to find something nice out here. That last road was gorgeous. Those trees were really cool. Nice little curve action. Nothing too crazy. nice little ones out here. And I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching. Please hit that subscribe button if you hadn't already. And thank you, Kier, for hitting me up. It was nice riding with you, man. We're obviously going to be riding again. I got your information. And if any of you guys are in the Columbia area or you want to link up, if you're 20-30 minutes out, send me a message on Instagram at Yamaha R6. I don't care what you ride. Let's go meet up. Let's go find some new roads. And I just want to say thank you guys again for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. And that Yamaha XSR900 is a nasty bike. That thing sounds great. Go put an exhaust on it. But thank you guys for watching. Y'all enjoy the rest of your day. Kill Cam out.